Hi guys, Scarlet Angel here. I visited this new place in BGC Taguig near 27th and 3rd named Carlos. So I asked for the specialty and they say it's pizza, coffee, and pasta. So we ordered this 18 inches pizza. Brick oven na luto siya. Siyempre may kape. And so what we order is the bourdain. The bourdain is the one with the meat on top and the half is cheese. So for me, nagustuhan ko yung bourdain. Masarap siya. Yung cheese masarap din kaso lang hindi ko siya kayang kainin the whole time kasi medyo nasawa ako sa lasa ng cheese. Pero both are good. And they serve it sobrang init kasi galing sa talaga fresh from the oven. And then syempre, I got the coffee. This is called the Bastard Coffee. And it's so good. So come check them out in BGC. Yun lang guys. Bye!